Hey there, Tamir from FibonacciTraders.com here. Tuesday, market, pre-market preparations, CPI numbers coming up in 30 minutes. Are you ready? Who's with me? Say hi, don't be shy. Hi, Aviad, thank you very much for joining. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. We can see, let me just put my phone on silence. That's it. Now we are fully prepared. So, who is with me? Let's wait a few more seconds, 3 more minutes before we start digging the charts. You can see, as usual, futures 2 hours over here, futures 15 minutes over here. Once CPI numbers will come out, we will see volatility. Be prepared. Don't trade the first 15 minutes after the report. Budapest, nice. Hi Oren, thank you very much for joining. Jonathan, hello there. Basically, the market is holding and waiting for CPI numbers. And the only thing that needs to concern us, and to be not concerned, but to be important for us, is how market will react to those numbers. And it doesn't matter what we think. It doesn't matter if we think it's good, bad. The only thing that matters is how the market will react to those numbers. Hi Asaf, hi Amir, thank you very much for joining. Aviad, how is Budapest? Never been there. Worth the travel. You live there, you work, travel. How is it? Let me know. If you see some glitches, don't worry about it. It's my new camera. I'm trying to adjust it. Hi Adi, hi Amit. Thank you very much for joining. Someday I will come. Tampa, Florida. Last time I've been in Florida, I've been all around Florida except Tampa. Never been in Tampa. Been in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, the Keys, of course, Orlando, of course, Georgetown, of course. Pretty nice, Florida. Nice weather, nice people, bit crazy, but pretty nice. Hi Nati, thank you very much for joining. Basically, you see here the SPY 65 broadening formation. You see here the SPY 15, including extended hours. So we'll get all the levels. Once price will start moving, CPI. Come to Rosh Hashanah. I've worked in Park Afek in my previous life. Good food trucks over there. Don't know if there still are, but some nice food trucks in Park Afek in Rosh Hashanah. So, how are you preparing for CPI? How are you preparing for tomorrow PPI? How are you preparing for 2023? Have you started preparing 2023? How do you prepare? If you have a journal of all your 2023 trades, go over it. What did you do good? What went wrong? Why it went wrong? Adjust your strategy and be prepared for 2024. If you don't have a journal for all your trades, now is the time to start making one. Every entry, every exit, every stop loss, every position that you take, long or short, swing or day trading, you need to journal it. If you don't, you will never become a better trader. Never. SPY and the daily, yesterday doji. Let's see continuation if the market will accept CPI numbers. 440 will be support. Next will be the 448. QQQ yesterday inside candle, and here you have broadening formation of the QQQ, good reaction, and we will see this trend line to the upside. Bad reaction, and we will see this trend line to the downside. Dow Jones. Do you really need my template? Really? As a premium member, you have an access to it. It's here. Premium course, Discord. You have everything here. And if you don't find it, contact me on Discord. Everything in the premium room, in the premium zone, everything that you need is Fibonacci Traders Discord. Joking, Adi. Dow Jones, here you are, another broadening formation. Green trend line to the downside now is from resistance, now becomes support. This red line, resistance for the higher highs. Good reaction, and maybe we'll get a break above this red line towards the 347. IWM, nothing much, relative weakness on the IWM. Let's see, I'm waiting for a weekly close on the IWM above this red line. Bitcoin on the daily, still inside this uptrend channel, breaking below this area, and we will see first, we will see 33,500 and then 29,800 to the downside. Ethereum also basically inside day after inside day. All of these candles are inside this major candle. Long continuation only above it. Short towards the 1880 and then 1800 below the 1991. What else do we have? SOXX. Inside candle yesterday. Now the 486 from resistance now needs to become support. Next will be the 502 area, closing this gap. XLE trying to bounce off this red trend line. As you can see, trend lines gives us everything that we need for future price action, and as long as XLE is making lower lows and keeps sliding down on this red trend line, the way is down. We have a gap here at the 85 area, 86 area. You can take also Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, and here you have all the levels to the upside for future resistance. Apple, inside candle yesterday. Here you have another very nice broadening formation. If you take this one, let's make it white. You have the red broadening formation, and now Apple, together with this white trend line, is inside an uptrend channel. So as long as Apple is inside this channel, we are good to go long, but some kind of retracement towards where? Fibonacci 181, 91, 82, if you want, is the support. It was resistance over here, support and resistance over here. So by natural things of price action, it will be the next level of support. Long continuation above this area of above the 187 towards 192. Microsoft inside candle after Friday's new all-time highs. 360 to the downside, long continuation above 370, and then in my opinion 400 will be next. Tesla Let's clean the chart a little bit. Too much noise. Broke above this white downtrend channel. We are not out of the woods yet because higher time frame we have a red downtrend channel. Now let's see continuation above the 226. Another day above 226, and in my opinion 242 gap will get filled. You also can take Fibonacci, and here you are. Fibonacci gives you everything. The 228 area is the 50% retracement, downtrend between two red lines, downtrend, bounce off the red line, same as did here, same as did here. Now once again bouncing, long continuation above the 50% retracement towards the 242 gap. What else do we have? AMD inside candle, 113 to the downside is the support, long continuation above 120, then we will see 128 and maybe 140 until the end of 2023. 20 more percent in 5 weeks, 6 weeks of trading. Just another Tuesday on AMD. What else do we have? Netflix inside uptrend channel. Meta still struggling with the upper border of this red zone. As you can see, I want to see another day or two continuation above this red zone, and then we will see 344 and then 365. Nvidia continuing. Now 500 will be the next resistance. Above it, bulls of Nvidia will come full power towards the 570. Another 16-17% for Nvidia. As we say, another Tuesday. Even 616 is also in the cards. By the end of 2023, never say never. 26% to the upside in another 6 weeks. Hard to believe, but never say never. As long as Nvidia keeps this double bottom scenario over here, breaking above, if you can see, Nvidia is trending inside a very tough zone. This red zone, since here, since June, tried, failed, rejected by this red line, back inside the red zone. We have a gap over here, many gaps to the downside on Nvidia, but for now looks like Nvidia is going up above this red zone. We can say that bulls of Nvidia are going towards 580, 607. Take a screenshot. Keep these levels above your screen. Google. Gap to the upside, gap to the downside. As you can see, a gap on this red line, gap on this red line. Why? Because this is broadening formation. This is all you need. Broadening formation. The true formation, how price moves. So, any other questions? Requests? Chart requests? By the way, if you want template, a good template for a trading journal, I will put a link in the first comment once this live is over, so you can download it. No problem. What else? So, what are we watching today? SoFi, of course. Before SoFi, check Oracle from yesterday's pre-market live. I don't remember who brought his name up, but broke above the 113. As we said, now this 113 needs to hold the support. Next is the 116. Premium room, we are swing long on this name. Another interesting name, AI. I want to see continuation above the 28 and then 29.40. Above 29.40, in my opinion, 34 will be next. Airbnb, double bottom scenario. I'm waiting for a close above the 120.30. As you can see here, I have the alert, so I will not miss it. Then 122.60, 125, above 125. In my opinion, 133 is incoming. So these are the three major names, my top three names that I'm watching. One of them we are already swinging, AI and Airbnb. Let's see after CPI. What else? SoFi. What's going on with SoFi? What's the deal? Stock with this company that everybody loves. Downtrend until proven otherwise. You see, you have trend lines that shows you the way. The way is downside until from upper left, lower right, downtrend until proven otherwise. Can someone please tell me what's the deal with this company? Why so much interest in this company? 50% retracement is holding. Below it, 6. We have also a gap over here. And then back to 440. We'll appreciate why so many people interested in this company. Macy's. Last week, not last week, the week before last week, we took long above 1184. Then we closed it 1255, and since then, boom to the downside. What happened here? Earnings coming up in 2 days. What happened to Macy's? It's not because we sold it. We don't have this much impact. Fibonacci traders. Interesting to know what happened here. Now we have another doji of this area. Let's see. You want to go long? Need to wait above 1130, but wait. Post earnings. Don't take swings 2 days before earnings. Wait, post earnings. Wait 1 day after the earnings. Let it cool off. Don't FOMO. So this is USD ILS. Nothing much. We drew this a few days back. Now the 385 resistance, 380 support. Look left. All this area was a very important area of support and resistance, right? So this is why it now once again support and resistance. Short below, long above. That's it. This is technical analysis. Make it simple. It's easy? No. Simple? Yes. Easy? Far from being easy. Far from. Don't have double bottom. It's triple bottom. You have another 2 days. You have this earnings. It's not, I wouldn't even put it on my watch list. What else? Now let's check now. Nice. Very nice. Where now is heading? Here. This is your trend line that will become a very tough resistance. Just look left. Support, support. Then broke to the downside. Resistance, 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 resistance. Resistance. If you're already long on now, use ATR to manage your risk. Don't need two. One is enough. Use Fibonacci. Swing low, swing high, recent low, recent high. 613 to the downside is the support. If you're not long yet, I would wait. Two things if you're not long yet. First, impressive bull run. Some kind of a cool off will be very healthy. Retesting the 613 once again as support, because it was a very important area of resistance, as you can see, until it broke to the upside, or above this one. Let me know if you see me and hear me. Everything goes good. Let me know. If you want to go long and you're not long yet, so this is option one. Option two is wait for a weekly close above this red line. What else? ALTR. What do you see here? Earnings. Nice. All this area. Long. Nice long after it broke up and above this 67.80. I wish someone told me about ALTR a few days back. Nice long. Now this one from resistance will become support. Long continuation. Next is the 72.62 and then 76.50. I will put it on my watch list. Let's see how it goes. Nice ALTR. Lee, the Chinese automaker. Let's clean the chart. Too many gaps. Long continuation above the 40-40 area. Too many gaps. This is why I don't trade Chinese stocks. Too many gaps. I don't like to trade stocks with too many gaps, and especially I don't like to trade Chinese stocks. Amazon we talked about, Tomer. Check it out. Some will see cup and handle over there. So for Lee, long continuation above 440, then 43.43, and then 47.70. Coin, please hit the like, subscribe, share with friends. This is all I ask from you. It will help me grow this channel. Coin went up, closed the gap. Now let's see continuation above the 93 area. 93 area is the 618 Fibonacci retracement. Downtrend, massive base over here of the 70, very important area of support. Now let's see continuation above the 93.30, back to the 101 and then 112. If you're already long on coin, depends where you entered, but in my opinion, below 83, I will not keep this long position. IMO, Imperial Oil, broke this. I don't remember when we drew these lines, this channel, but it broke below. Now you have downtrend channel over here and over here. This is your downtrend channel. Downtrend until proven otherwise, long only if you see at least 2 days above this channel. What else? Amazon, yeah, we talked about. Nice cup and handle if you're a pattern trader, or it's a cup and handle, or head and shoulders, massive one, or double bottom. This is why we don't follow patterns, because everyone can see whatever they like. What do you see on Amazon? You have this trend line over here that goes way back, to here. So breaking and long continuation above 144, we will see 160, but you don't need to guess. Take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, above 144, 151, and then 161 to the upside. That's it. Breaking down and under, you have a massive Broadening formation, Fibonacci, that's it, and ATR to manage your risk. This is it. VIST for Hido. Thank you very much for joining this live. Didn't report? Why didn't you report? You had a very nice uptrend, as you can see, without any trend lines. Higher highs, higher lows, until it broke. Broke to the downside. Now, this area, below left, very important area of support. Below it, we will see downtrend continuation towards the 2020. So for now, no long, as I see, no long on VIST. PLTR, trend lines are everything. As you can see, this orange trend line, higher highs, there is such thing as a good resistance. This is a good resistance. We have 4 minutes until 3.5 minutes until CPI numbers. Are you ready? We will watch it together. If you want, let me know. Do you want to watch the CPI numbers together? 3 more minutes. Let me know. Yes or no. Anyway, I will watch it. If you want to watch it together with me, I will be more than happy. Anyway, PLTR. Good resistance, this orange line for the higher highs. Doji, after this major post-earnings gap, doji off a trend line, some kind of a cool-off will be very healthy with this area, the 19 and the 18. We can take Fibonacci also to here, it will be more accurate. 1911, 1917, this area needs to hold the support. Below it, 18. If you're not long yet on PLTR, I would wait. First for some kind of a cool-off or a break up and above this red line. What else? Hi Kozali, long time no see. I hope everything is fine. Where are the CPI numbers? How? 2.5 minutes. Long time. So first, let's talk about Fibonacci Academy playlist. Do you know Fibonacci Academy playlist? Kozali, we have 2 more minutes. CPI. Fibonacci Academy playlist. 26 videos on how to become a better trader each and every day. Technical side and psychology behind trading. So check it out. And of course, you know, Fibonacci Traders Discord room. We have everything here. Just go, choose your path. Go to the sign up, choose your path. You want the one-on-one live, Hebrew or English. You want the online program, basically the same program, but pre-recorded. Or you just want to join the Fibonacci Premium Room, Gold membership. This is the syllabus over here. Or you want the one-on-one coaching call? Perfectly fine. You want the crash course, 60 minutes crash course? You get everything from the one-on-one and the online program compressed into 60 minutes. So check it out. 30 seconds to CPI numbers. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? I see my good friend Micah Stocks also started. Let's see. CPI numbers. Are you ready? Watch the futures. And Still nothing. Boom! Look at the CPI numbers. Here we have, ladies and gentlemen, look at this candle. This is a candle that I want for my next birthday, ladies and gentlemen. CPI numbers came out. Where are they? Let's check. The CPI. Why don't find them? Where is the CPI? Look at this candle, ladies and gentlemen. Why cannot find the CPI numbers? Not on Twitter yet. CPI. Not CPU, CPI. $3.2. Nice. So what do we have? Snap for Khosali. 1142 now is the support. We are going towards this gap at the 1236. What else? Hi Faiz, thank you very much for joining. DUOL for Angelica. Long continuation, very nice post earnings gap up. We are heading north towards above 218. We are heading towards 245 and then 285. And NU for Shlomi, thank you very much for joining this live. NU, we have this trend line, very tough resistance. If you're already long, this is the time to manage your risk more carefully. Tomorrow earnings coming up, be careful. PSX, nice. Multi-bottom. Now let's see, continuation above 115. This gap will get filled. You see we have a gap over here. Above 116, we are heading 118. Above 118, in my opinion, 125 will be next. And look at the futures just booming to the upside. Broke above this Browning formation and into the next Fibonacci extension. It's all about Fibonacci. You see why Fibonacci gives us the next resistance and support levels for future price action. This is it. You have low, high, extension. Thank you, Amir, for posting the CPI numbers. Thank you very much. What else? So, I hope you found this live helpful, educational. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe, share with friends. Until the next live, until the next video, please stay safe.